You and him attack from Corona, you change man, so tell man I'll use broomstick and joke you through over glass. You're too lie, you don't want to tell nobody say you use your old and foreign quick. Your old.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
I hope them are going in a garments. I hope them are sexy in a clothes, you know, because that is too much. Yeah, Jaden don't live in UFO and then attack you look like it, you shape like it. You see some things up on the internet, you know. That's why we tell us when alien come in, it's go easy for our eye. Then what away Annie says she and fear man Gregory. Annie lie. Annie come here. Can you like to say me a tell lie for you? What away you say you and Gregory meet in a Corona 2020 and you have your big thinking catches a keynote on the internet. Come here Annie. Okay. You know you love to short bass I send me back invite. But short bass not easy. Short bass no man you're too little and cute. Yeah, you're too short if you did tall. You see if you did tall you get away with murder. Yeah. Zing. I'm broader than Broadway. For true short bass, if it is just a little bit taller. Just a little bit taller. But short bass, I might foot you one kick way. I might knee you one kick out. Go on, yeah. Let's say you give me a flying kick and land in my knee. But I like me too. Eh? Me I remember the party, the RG party, yeah. So I put him in because no you're all no partial. Yeah. You and him attack from Corona, you change man, so tell man I'll use broomstick and joke you through over glass. You're too lie, you don't want to tell nobody say you use your old and foreign quick. You use your old Barbados quick. But him used to come at the bar and him used to work at the, you never say him used to work at, a weed him used to sell at the bar. So you go over there and take the weed man where I sell the whole bush. Make it make sense because the whole of we are liars. Come. All of us is liars. All of us is what? Liars. Yeah. So me not understand. You too lie and is a little germs. You're bad for your whole. Your crutches the internet know you for. Crutches selling. You walk and give away your old boy, you and him used to talk and boy you soon drop in your 40s. You see your teeth them in your mouth, Annie? Them don't look like 30 odd. No, you looking at your mouth properly, Annie? Enter your talk if you have a mirror so. And just look if your mouth and move properly and your teeth them situated correctly. Just look. Your little bit and look dirty. And when you claim to say your beard, are you alone still away Vaseline money? Our dumpy show. But them said them show they never available. The only set of shows that were available was pornography. So that's where I developed most of my sucking skills. Jody B, you have one good one again today, son. Yeah, so when you see the talent in my mouth, you understand me? And my mouth them use, it inspire a lot of companies to make vacuum. Them say I'm full of suction, while Mariah Carey full of whistle. She likes to blow, I like to suck. So you see she can go, and I can go, yeah. And the girls, them say them have some girls who are just nostalgic. So I said, what do you mean by they are nostalgic? Yeah, he said they are polishers. You know, polishers where your granny used to use back in the days after floor brush. Come on, man. You know, well, I know what me I talk about. I want to little nasty face with something. You know, say some other people on this go like on too tighty. Come here. While me depend this, let me talk to you about something. When you ever sit down one day and pray to God, maybe see somebody who pray to God from the life or something. You know you will want something. You don't know why you want it, but you want it because everybody have it. But you pray to him for something. Let me see you hold up your hand. Let me see you hold up your hand. Whether a job, whether a man, whether a picnic, whether a dog, whether a bird, whether a beast. Come. You ever feel in yourself like him say yes? Eh? Alright, me here wanna know what? Me just ask you one something and I just go overboard, so. When you don't answer the first question. Too much, man. Backside. I just want to say, if me didn't ever know that's when they go, I wouldn't ask one, you know. I play about the song, yeah. Like, it was on a done, you never feel like, yeah, I eat this, me I go get it, eh? But when I answer for that one, I never feel like say, yes, me I go get it. Alright, go on answer. Who them people from, oh, she wrap up, so come here, me never had a sandwich, move a rest and peace. Yeah, not always. No man, just that time. I'm on to something, don't interrupt me. Yeah. Just like when I go embassy. No man, a visa, you go big girl. Yeah. Alright now. Don't answer now. Tell me when you don't answer. Because I can't bother with you. I don't know why my bother ask you no question, you know. I don't know why. The point. Aye, rest me now. Bitch. Rest me. No worry me about the point. Rest me man, backside. When you don't answer, I don't know. Alright, thank you very much, yeah. You know the funny part about life is this. Oftentimes, what we ask for is not what we really need in order to survive. True or false? Alright, nice going class, nice. Because when you ask or pray you don't get, you get upset. True. And when you pray and you get it, it feel like nothing to you. Well, I'm the people, let me take the car, you know. I should pray for yourself because I can't bother pray for you, you know. Yeah. So come you know, people. Yeah, you notice what we do on a daily. This is what we do on a daily. And then we say that we want, Lord, grant me peace and sanity. Peace and sanity are your one. Anything at all where you put before God as a need, always remember it's a want. Because the job where you fight for all and pan is the job where you fight for let you go. And you don't see the danger. And when you're tied to something and something want to go, it will chop you real deep. And people don't recognize that. It will chop you real deep. So you see, sometimes this time you can spend less for stress, spend it. The funny part about life, we worry about the world, but we never worry yet. When we get sick, or if sickness bounce up, and we like Job, how we are going to operate. You understand me? We want everything of this world, Christian and non-Christian. We want everything of this world. So we go before God with the needs of the world. You understand me? Instead of saying, God, bless me. When you're ready, you're ready. Because Mom said this to somebody. You see, sometimes when you pray, because you want a car, because down to the baby of a car, and you want a car, let me say this to you. You see, the same car where you go before God and pray for, sometimes when God tell you, say, yes, you're going to get it, you know what you do within yourself, and this is the point I want to make. You know what you do within yourself? You walk and you source out every opportunity we lean towards a car. Look how you build your emotions in becoming an idol. Or look how you transfer your emotions to an idol. Look at this. You want a car, you pray about it, you fast 2 times, and you say, somebody call you on the phone because the devil hear your prayer. Come on, somebody. Somebody call you on the phone and they want to say they want tent and car, and you in a eat. Yeah man, so much it will go, and God make them lick you with the price, and you depend you can't afford it, then them come with what? 9 and car, then you go right down to 1/5 and you wonder, so look how long me a big got a car, and look how the vehicle you so, and look how, you know why? You get a hold back. I just want to say this to the people who get a hold back, but let me talk about the people who get it first. When you get your car, you run up in a wall. You pray to God for your vehicle, and him give you 1 10-ton vehicle, and as you get the vehicle, you run up in a wall, it scratch off, you this and you that. No, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you don't go to God, you have to go to God with intelligence. You can't want to go to God and say, God, I want a vehicle. What do you want the vehicle for? I want the vehicle so I don't have to take bus to go work, because you know the bus fare expensive. Then if the bus fare expensive, germs they bite. Vehicle more expensive than bus fare. So go to God. God, me not in a life, I can't bother with bus no more. I just feel like I not accomplish nothing in life. I want one car. I want to know it feel like for own one vehicle. I want one vehicle, Father God. I mean, I want just any vehicle, God. You pick out one vehicle for me. I don't want just any vehicle, because you know the desire of my heart when it comes to vehicle. Yeah, but I don't want the vehicle for nothing else. And Father God, you can imagine how many times I drive out in that. And everybody a look for me, they will think my heart. Yeah, they might think my heart for sure. Yeah, they might think my heart. What I'm trying to say is this. Oftentimes we go to God with the needs of the world. Right? Believing God not understand the inner thought. So it's when we ask him and we don't get it, we get frustrated. We get depressed. And we don't realize that we are depressed over materialistic things. And once you're depressed over materialistic things, it seems that you have an attachment to this world. Now, what would it be like if God should never bless you with a house, a car, or a job? What would it be for you? You're afraid of the fact that people are going to say you won't listen, you're careless. But God wants us sometimes, the reason why He allows us not to obtain a vehicle, not to obtain a house, not to be in a job. And let me use the job part. Let me use the job. You see the job part? Let me use the job part. A lot of us work because we have to eat. First and foremost, a lot of us work because we have to eat. And we're not talking about clothes, and we're not talking about house, and we're not talking about nothing. A lot of us work because we have to eat. Now, when you lose your job, you get depressed. God has a time when He want to feed you. He want to feed you with material things and spiritual things. Now make nobody tell you otherwise. The Lord will always feed you with both if you're in one accord. You see, if you're on one accord, the Lord will feed you with both. Now make nobody tell you, say, God now feed you with no this and not that. No, God will feed you with both. And that into Solomon, because when Solomon asked him for wisdom also, God know the desire, the inner desire of Solomon's heart, and God give it to him. Now, a cattle and 1,000 hills belongs to God, so we need not to explain anything else. Even in famine, my children will have more than enough. Even in famine. So, I'm not too worried about it. No. When you sit down here, so you stress over your vehicle, right? You don't realize that you're interfering with your blessing. God use the foolishness of things to confound the wise. You see, when you act on your desire, and when I say act on your desire, you act spiritually on your desire, you call upon God on your desire, then the Lord will teach you how to receive. But you see, when you act upon your own desire and your own will, you will always go astray. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you don't want a vehicle, and then all of a sudden you have a vehicle, you have a job, you have every single thing. And then all of a sudden, everything start go AY. Why? You cannot live at peace in the vehicle where you badger God for all the house or the job. Why? Was it given to you by God? You need to check that. Or did you went ahead and did the work of the Almighty, because by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread? But why should I pray to God, not exercising faith, but exercising physicality? I walk on a look. Let the Lord direct and lead you. A lot of us don't like to lean back and trust God to feed us. Me see a lot of Christians stress out. Why them stress out? Me not have the money for come to church. Bitch, you're not to go. You are not to go. You're not to go to church. Check the ratio. When you go to church, number one, you jump on the emotions. Number two, you don't have nothing for cook when you come back to your yard. Number three, you just go to church and you fall on the emotion. Oh, church was good. And then you, as church done, me not have nothing for eat, you know. And it weird you. Bitch, you're not to go. Stay at home, miss the house of the Lord, but keep your altar right here. So pray to God and make him explain some things to you. Sometimes we're too busy in our mind space that the Lord have to pull we aside, mash up the vehicle, tear up the house, make you lose your job, send where you picnic them. You don't have no friend. Nobody not like you. Your phone battery only dead because guess what? The lighting a kill it. Every time you look on it, so the light turn on. So that a kill a battery. Nobody not call you. You need to be at peace with yourself before you can find attention in the world. And when you're at peace with yourself, then you will get all the attention that you need from the world. But we don't know how to do that. We only know how to worry and stress. We don't walk by faith, we walk by sight. Because we then know, how can the Lord bless me? I mean, walk and testify, understand me? But I'm saying, instead of doing one thing over and over, gain the understanding and move on. I don't need a percentage to tell me how qualified I am. I need what I need. You understand me? I need what I need in order to get me through. I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to control the atmosphere. I'm not trying. So, let me just break it down now. So do I need a GLE to get where I'm going? Do I need a GLE to get where I'm going? I'm just asking. Somebody make you an answer me now. Exactly my point. So because I have a Honda and you have a Benz, you're more than me. Lies, you're mad. Wash and wipe and ready to go. One and ready, two and move. Yeah. What you say? If you cannot live within the comfort of your blessing, how is it you're going to live in the comfort of the upgrading of your blessing? True or false? Through. When I see people say Christmas will come and them not have no money, why? Why is it a bother that Christmas will come and you not have no money? January a tambourine season. A January you go blessing. Why you can't focus? Jelly with no gas, I hate you. Eh? Why you can't focus? As simple as that, less stress. Right now, break it down a little bit more complicated. I'll push it up a little bit more complicated. You're in a relationship with a man that treats you wrong and you decide you're all on the wrong bang. Explain that to me now. And then every day you get up and this is your job. Trying to run a house, trying to maintain a car, trying to hold a family, and trying to keep the job. That is too much for one person. When are you going to take a vacation? And I'm not talking about a physical vacation, an emotional vacation. When are you going to take a vacation? A lot of persons like to take vacation because they are stressed, and it's only physical that you're taking the vacation. But what about taking a vacation of your emotion? What about the simple things that you have in your head? You just give your head a vacation. Give your thought process a vacation. So you see a lot of persons out there who seem very wealthy. They have never been on a vacation. You see them fly up all over the world. I see pictures. They have never been on a vacation. They don't even understand the sun that is shining on their skin, but yet still them a tan. Oh, senior lad, man. Chop. Low me down, go. Yeah. You see, that's why I can't envy you for what you claim to say you accomplished. I cannot envy you for your blessing. I cannot. Because, Shock, the best thing for us is a peace of mind. I tell you, I can't drink the orange juice here like it's champagne. My friends always say, you know, you live in your head. I say, that's why I can't in a mix up.